Come in.
Hi, Mr. Smith. I understand you need help with the bedpan. Can I help you? Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. Can I give you some privacy? Wash my hands and get my slide. Be right back. So we need a bath blanket. So I'm gonna try not to shake it. So I'm going to remove this blanket of you, your blanket. Okay. Excuse me. Get. Can you scoot towards me a little bit? Come towards me. Can you turn over this way? Thank you. Also, you can ask them to lift their hip up. Come. Gonna go on the other side of the bed. Hmm. Can you lift up a little bit? Thank you. Now, I'm going to wear my gloves. Okay. Get the bed ready. Can you bend your knee and lift your hip up, please? Lift up your, lift up, lift your butt up. Get your butt up. Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Now raise your head. Good. You feel comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna be outside. Let me give you your call line so you can call me once you're done, okay? Call me when you're done. Remove my gloves. I understand that you're done. So I'm going to help you get off your bed, okay? Wear my gloves. Toilet paper.
No.
Go. You take the toilet paper, so you put it here. Can you bend your knee again, please? Bend. Lift up, bend. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna dispose this in the trash. This go in the toilet. You're gonna clean it. This water also go into the toilet. Good. Gonna put the paper towel inside of it. Okay. And then this will go in the drawer. Put it back where it was. And I'll be back. Can you take this and clean your hands, please? You don't have wipes. Thank you. Can I remove my gloves? Your blankets. Jide. Okay. Just go in the dirty linen. Use your comb, right? If you need anything, just let me know. Are you comfortable like that, or you want me to put your head down?
Put my head down.
Can I get you anything before I leave?
No thanks.
Okay, it's your call. I call if you need anything. Sure, everything is nice and clean. My skin is done. So, nan skill sa y ap gade pou we, eske yo bay moun nan wipes pou lave men, la fin itilize toalet. E pi tou, lo lave bedpen nan, eske yo pran dlo a ou jete nan sek lan, dlo a se pose, jete nan toalet la. Merci tout moun, nan wè nan lot video.